Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are well. So guys, it's another interesting vlog. I hope you guys are seated. From the title you will know what I'm dishing out. So guys, in this vlog I am going to be sharing with you how I find out that I am pregnant, and of course my first trimester recap. So you guys sit back and let me introduce you. So fam, I actually thought pregnancy is like a normal thing. Like, it's actually a normal thing. Like, I feel, what I usually feel is that when I'm ready to get pregnant, I'm gonna get pregnant and that will be all. But fam, I lied. Pregnancy comes with a whole lot. Like, as I am now, I am not myself. Like, if you're pregnant, you're not gonna be yourself. Like, trust me, you are an entire version of another self. You're not going to be yourself. Like, pregnancy is not a joke. So you guys have that in mind, but it's a beautiful feeling anyway. So guys, it all started like a joke. It was unexpected actually, according to my thumbnails. Yeah, so I was expecting my menstruation, and it was after a week. I was just like, what's happening? Why is this thing taking too long? And in my mind I was just like, okay, it's okay for you to stay for like 5, 4, 7 days. But then, let's be sure, I told my husband, he was my boyfriend at that time, so I told him, bros, let's get this thing checked, because I'm suspecting what I don't know, so let's just be sure. And he was like, okay, it's fine, let's get the kit and be certain of what we are talking about. And we got the test kit and we ran the test, and voila, we are pregnant. Let me show you guys. We are pregnant. So fast forward to my first trimester recap. My symptoms were not from this planet. It started like, at first when I was expecting my menstruation, had catarrh, like serious catarrh, like all my nostrils everywhere was blocked. If you are seeing me looking down, I have my jotter with me. I wrote them, like I just needed to pen them down because I knew I was going to film this video. So you guys, if you are seeing me look down, I am looking at my jotter. So my first trimester symptoms was catarrh, a serious one at that. OMG, like the catarrh was not from this planet. Another symptoms is headache. Headache was here. Like, I usually have headache, like mild headache, but this one was more than migraine. It was just eating me, bounce, bounce, bounce. Another symptoms I observed in my first trimester was long neck. Like, my neck was not all this bulgy neck. It's not usually bulgy neck, but my neck was just gradually looking longer, and I'm like, what's happening? So another thing I observed during my first trimester was sweat. Oh my goodness. Like, under fan, under AC, I'm sweating. If you on all of this fan, like if you on like 5 fans in a room, I'm still gonna sweat. Like, you are still going to see me sweat. Like, I sweat like Christmas goods. Like, another thing I observe is cold. Like, I'm a person that during Hamatan, if everybody at home is bathing with hot water, me, I'm gonna use cold water to bath. Like, just give me cold water. I'm not feeling any cold, but in this pregnancy I am feeling cold. No sir, oh my goodness, I feel sick every now and then. Tiredness, my darling, I have zero energy all through first trimester. It was that bad. And another experience is loss of appetite. Oh my goodness, like I lose interest in virtually every single thing. I lose interest, I lose appetite. I was basically feeding on fruit, mostly African sherry, agbalumo. Oh my goodness, I had a whole lot of African sherry throughout my first trimester. Like, I feed on watermelon, apple, and carrot and all of that, but mostly I feed on agbalumo. African cherry was my go-to food. Another thing is being emotional. Oh my goodness, if you laugh too much beside me, I'm gonna cry. I am always emotional at every single opportunity. I'm emotional. Like, even me thinking of myself, like I'm thinking of how tired I am, I'm thinking of how I feel only makes me emotional. Me thinking of how I feel makes me emotional. Like I feel like this is not myself. Like, oh my goodness, this is not me. This is not myself. And another thing is bloatedness. Like, God, if I drink any water like this, I'm gonna be like I ate a whole cow. Like, it was that bad. I feel full at every single time. Like, let me just take one sachet of water, I'm gonna be full. Nail pain, like if I walk from here to here, I'm gonna feel nail pain. Like, is that bad? Oh my goodness. Full breast, like I'm a busty person, but fam, first trimester, we are loaded, we are fullest. Sleep, oh my goodness, fatigue. Like, I just want you to sleep. If I'm seated for like 2-3 minutes, I just want to sleep. Let me just sleep. I just want to like, if I'm not even closing my eyes, let me just lay down. I just want to have my side on the ground. Is that bad? I couldn't sit for too long. Another thing I observe in my first trimester is frequent urination. Oh my goodness, like every single minute I am visiting the restroom. Every single minute I'm visiting the restroom. Another thing I observe in my first trimester is out of breath. God, every single movement, like me leaving my room to the restroom, I'm gonna be out of breath. I'm gonna be like, like, is that bad? First trimester showed me paper. Another thing I observe is bad taste bud and terrifying smell. Oh my goodness, like let everybody in this old white board tell you that this particular meal I'm holding is delicious. I'm gonna taste it and feel nothing. Like, me smelling it, I'm going to smell it like I'm going to have a terrifying smell. Me smelling it is not going to smell nice to me. Like, it is that bad. I have a very bad tasty bud all through my first trimester. Food aversion, let's not even talk about that. That one is another video entirely. I'm going to make a full video on food aversion. My food aversion started 7 weeks into my pregnancy. Oh my goodness, my food aversion, it's a whole video entirely. So guys, you guys should expect my food aversion video. Another thing I observed during my first trimester is saliva. Saliva started about, I think it got worse towards 9 weeks, but it was not stopping. It couldn't stop. Like, all through my first trimester, starting from about 9 weeks, I was just having saliva all round. Like, I'm just, any single thing, any single moment, I'm just going to spit. Like, let me just spit. Like, I'm not the kind of person that hold saliva bottle. No, it's not that bad. What I do is I'll just visit the restroom and spit. That's what I do. I hate carrying bottle and spitting inside it. No, I'm not doing that. That's irritating. So another thing I observe is mucus. Oh my goodness, mucus. Like, it feels like my mucus membrane was filled with, like, it was filled with thousands of people's mucus. Like, I feel mucus every now and then. Like, let me just belch, I'll feel mucus. Like, it feels like my membrane is stocked with mucus. Then another thing I observed is I couldn't eat anything I prepared. Like, at about 10 weeks into my pregnancy, I couldn't eat what I prepared. Like, I cannot taste it. Oh my goodness, I almost forgot this. Back pain. God, back pain dealt with me severely all through my first trimester. And back pain doesn't come alone. Guess what? Back pain comes with stomach cramps, and these two, they are the odogu of all my symptoms. Once the back pain comes, I am expecting my stomach cramps. Like, they walk hand in hand. Then another thing is what's it called, cravings. All through my first trimester, I didn't crave for anything. Like, nothing. Even if I try eating stuff, like, I'll just vomit. Like, is that bad? I was basically feeding on fruit. Like, I couldn't calculate how much I spent on African sherry. Oh my goodness. Like, it is a no echo area. Like, I wouldn't imagine me calculate it. It's that much. Like, I was feeding on African sherry. That was what I was feeding on. But then my skin glow all through my first trimester. I was glowing. My skin, oh my goodness, come and see my face. Not now that my face is looking kuru kuru. But first trimester, oh my goodness, all my face, my body was glowing. People were even asking me that, did you change your cream? I'm like, nope, nope. It's we are glowing. So guys, those are my symptoms. I don't know how you felt during your first trimester. This is actually my first pregnancy. I'm a first time mom, so share with me in the comment section if you are also a first time mom like me. How do you feel all through your first trimester? Let's have your own opinion in my comment section, and I will be glad to read from you. So you guys, I am using this video as a point of contact to everyone, each and every lady or woman in this life looking forward to feel this amazing feeling coupled with sacrifice. Yes, because it's actually a sacrifice to bring forth a human. Oh my goodness, it is worth thankful for. So you guys, I'm using this video as a point of contact. I hope you guys are blessed with the fruit of your womb. I hope God answers everyone's prayer about everyone looking forward to carry a baby. Oh my goodness, I am using this video as a point of contact. I pray God answers all of our secret prayer, because it is a beautiful feeling. It is a feeling that all women should experience. So you guys, I wish you guys the very best. Wish me well. I don't know when you guys will be seeing this video, but then this is my first trimester recap and about finding out that I'm pregnant. So you guys, if you are not subscribed yet, why not? Please subscribe, because you are going to be seeing updates about my pregnancy back to back. I am going to be sharing details with you guys, because this channel is actually about lifestyle, family and vlogs, but we are going to be doing a little bit of motherhood, because we are a step to motherhood. So you guys, I'm blabbing enough. Let me end this video here. So bye guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye guys.